Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. We're going to try to plow through a few videos here. I got kind of derailed earlier with some plagiarism stuff. If you want to watch that, watch my Bitcoin and Solana videos. You'll probably be pretty familiar with House of Crypto stealing my work. Now, we're going to talk a little about ICP and kind of see what this resistance looks like. $10 even, pretty strong, solid line in the sand there, right? Bitcoin pumping, most other coins are, ICP's not. What's the deal, right? I know you're probably thinking to yourself, well, it's going to be due to continue higher soon, right? I don't know if I'd be so convinced about that. We are right here at the point of control. There's a lot of things we got to look at. So if you're new to the channel, I just ask you hit the like button, comment below. If you've been watching for a while, all the more reason to just do that every single video. I deeply appreciate that. Help get this in front of more people who deserve a better chance to become better traders. Okay, so taking a look here at ICP, back-end data, still the same thing. The sale still exists. Liquidation 922 to 933. We had our take profit target at 933. We swept that level. The price returned instantly. Okay, so we took profit on our short position with ICP. We did that mainly because of the fact that that was a key level, right? A lot of times you set your targets right at specific areas of either retracement or specific areas of consolidation. There we go. ICP 20% in roughly one trading day. So again, the whole point of me identifying this is that that still exists, and there's a stronger likelihood ICP goes lower than higher based on all the liquidation levels just below the price action. Okay, so it's not a monumental level, but it is still a pretty significant number. Okay, so just be mindful right there. 920 or lower is that heavy level of liquidation. Okay, now that we have that understanding, that foundation, what do we look at next? Well, we typically want to look at the moving averages on the daily time frame and kind of see where we're at. So we're above the 50 and the 20. We've talked about this previously being a semi-bullish quality. Being below the others, of course, though, is not great. So being under the 100, which rejected the price action here roughly 4 days ago, and under the 200, that's telling us we haven't broken bullish yet. Okay, we're also testing this ascending trend line, potentially going to break to the downside. So again, all the more reason why we got to be kind of mindful and keep our head on a swivel. We're also coming close to 50 on the RSI. While that can commonly work as a support level, which we've noticed already has been a support in the current range, we drop below 50, there's a great chance we're going to see these lower levels of liquidation, possibly even $7.80 hit next. Just being honest with you folks, if you love ICP so much that you are so blinded by what I'm saying right now, that's okay. I understand. I'm sorry. You probably watched the wrong videos. Maybe go watch House of Crypto or some other people that pump stuff up and steal other people's work. Okay, so again, be careful with who you trust. Even be careful with me. Watch consistently and see if it actually works well for you and your risk tolerance. Having said that, MACD is soon to diverge too. There's a lot of reasons why the shift in momentum is happening, and there's a strong chance we might see our last leg down here for our ABC pattern, or just generally speaking, it's common to see 0.618, 0.5, and 0.382 fib levels achieved. $7.80 to $9 even seems like a very logical area, specifically considering that lower fib level, that 0.618 is right there at that lower liquidation level. It's almost no coincidence. All right, so 4-hour time frame, what do we look at here? Well, we're underneath the 20 and the 50-day SMA. That is absolutely a bearish sign, especially this in combination with Bitcoin likely pulling back a little bit, even though it's fairly bullish, it'll probably retrace to lower levels. We combine that with ICP's lack of performance here. I mean, you look at any other coin, most of them pumped with Bitcoin. ICP didn't. What does that mean when Bitcoin dumps? If it does, right? That implies ICP will as well. Okay. So again, just some friendly advice. Be very careful taking along right now. 50 on the RSI rejected, stochastic RSI swinging down. I mean, honestly, with everything I see here so far, MACD diverging, I may even consider opening a second short with this coin. It's really just the way it looks right now. Taking a look at the hourly though, just to double check, let's confirm a few more things. Main thing really is the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, so let's take a look at that. Ichimoku cloud, we can see we're below the cloud. We have been for about 3 or 4 hours. That's generally construed as a confirming factor that the price is more likely to drop. We can also see, of course, as well, that the lagging span is breaking free of the price action well in the next few hours. All the more reason why you want to wait for confirmation below the cloud. But again, everything here so far, minus the conversion line being above the baseline, is telling us we have a shift in momentum. ICP is losing that support, or more importantly, rejected very hard off this $10 mark and is likely to continue lower. Okay, so just some friendly advice. Again, be very careful taking longs. Also, if you do notice the significant watermark in the background there, that is here to stay now, because I discovered a lot of people are just, stealing my work. So I'm going to try to print my CryptoCache name on every single chart just to ensure people can actually, I guess we'd expose them or just give them more work to have to create the chart themselves instead of piggybacking off our success. So, okay, thanks again so much for watching. Once again, if you're kind of curious about what I'm referring to, watch my Bitcoiner Solana videos. I'll probably make a new video altogether. But again, calling this guy out here, stealing our work, it's not cool, dude. All right, folks, thanks again so much for your time. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a great rest of your day.